and this system is still underdeveloped, but it is highly implemented in the Western countries. Friends, we all have observed and still we are facing that the world temperature is increasing day by day. Still, I am sweating in the month of July. So you can feel this heat. But there is a solution of it. And we all know that one thing came up as a solution of it. That is an electric vehicle. Yes, friends, I am talking about electric vehicle. Friends, electric vehicle are those vehicles which are run on the propulsion system, which is powered by the electricity. Those vehicles are known as electric vehicle. Mostly these vehicles are powered by the lithium ion batteries. And this system is still underdeveloped, but it is highly implemented in the Western countries, especially in USA and European countries, because Tesla is that country. Tesla is that company that is revolutionary in this field. They have built up highly developed cars which are run on the very potential or very reliable lithium ion batteries. But friends, when we talk about electric vehicles in terms of India and Asian countries, it is less implementable because we have very less lithium ion storage, as well as we still working on this technology. And when we talk about these companies like Tesla, they are very expensive when we import those cars in India, so every man can't buy it. So friends, there are the few companies like Tata Motors which are working on it. Recently Tata Motors released a statement that they are going to produce a mass production of the electric vehicles in India. And friends, but there are the challenges to implement this thing in India, because for this thing we need lithium ion batteries, but they are not sustainable. They will one day will come when whole lithium of this world will be diminished. So we have to find another technology which is reliable or recyclable. And one more thing is that for implementing these electric vehicle in India, we have to invest and create an infrastructure by which we can have a fast charging ports everywhere on the road, just like a petrol pump. As well as we need to drop down the prices of electric vehicles, because Indians don't have that much money to buy an electric vehicle of 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs. We don't have that much money. So we have to, government have to, or we have to also put our money into the research and development regarding electric vehicles, or creating a propulsion system which will consume less electricity. So if we will reach our objective, then it will be revolutionary in Indian history or for the world, by which we can lower down the global temperature. Thank you.